the next step is to put the ledger boards inside. So we have to come over here. We have to grab the ledger board, which is the 39-inch 1x4. I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste it over here. Now you can see that it's parallel with the bed. We need to get it perpendicular. So I'm going to use my move tool and I'm going to get one of those red plus signs and I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees so it's on the red axis. Now it's in the right direction. Next thing, I'm going to copy and paste these into their location. So first, let's get our move tool and we're going to grab the bottom corner right there and I'm going to move it in so it's on the edge of the next group. So now if I orbit around just to check, should be sitting right on that ledger board, which it is. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make copies of this and paste them across here. So I'm going to copy, paste. And as long as I keep the same plane, I should be able to continue sliding these in easily. And I want to make sure that I'm getting them right on that edge. I'm going to orbit around so I have a better angle on this side. And now we're going to group this whole object. So I need to get it into a place where I can see all of it. So I'm going to orbit around. And I could go through and select each piece, but I'm going to find that it's going to be easier to use my drag tool. So I'm going to drag across from corner to corner, not selecting my canvas, just selecting this. And then I'm going to right click on it and group it, make group. So now I have grouped this into one solid piece. So this is now my finalized base bunk. So I've got a twin bed created. And that's how you do it.